Hey, what's up? It's your girl Krissy and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my nighttime routine for braid outs, twist outs, and flat twist styles. Alright, so I'm starting on day 6 of an old braid out. So I'm going to take my hair out of the ponytail and start creating small sections so that I can re-moisturize and twist my hair. As you can see, my hair is very dry and very frizzy, so that's why it's also important for me to kind of re-moisturize my hair. Okay, so now that I have my section, I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to wet my hair and kind of rake my fingers through my hair. Now that my hair is ready to get this moisture, I'm going to go in with my leave-in, my cream, and a gel. And I'm going to keep raking my fingers through my hair so that I'm detangling as I go along. You can see how defined my hair is. It looks really good. And I'm just going to start twisting. When you're twisting, please finger coil the end of your twist, or you can use perm rods, but you don't want your ends to look frizzy or old, so make sure that it's properly hydrated and that you're curling it. Alright, so I'm just going to continue twisting my hair until I'm done. I do want to say though that I usually do smaller twists or braids when I'm re-moisturizing my hair, just so that I can make sure it's properly moisturized, and it kind of helps with my curl definition too. Alright, so now that I finished twisting my hair, I'm going to go in with some jojoba oil and I'm going to apply it to my roots and my edges. And then I'm going to tie my hair down and go to sleep. Alright, it is the next morning and I'm going to take my scarf off and start untwisting my hair. I'm going to put some jojoba oil on my hands just to make twisting a little easier. You can see how curly and how defined my hair is, which I love. I usually don't like the first day of retwisting or first day here in general, but I really do love the definition that I get. Alright, I just want to say this right now because towards the end of the video it's going to get a little ghetto, just because I was running out of space on my laptop, so I couldn't put all the clips in, but I tried to like finesse it and make it make sense as much as I could. So yeah, if I put like a text on the screen, it's because that's where my footage was supposed to be. But yeah, this is how my hair actually came out. I went and I kind of like fluffed it a little bit, but I didn't want to interrupt the curl pattern, so I left it like this. All right, so this was later that day when I got home from work. As you can see, the twists are much bigger, and this is how I maintain it on a nightly basis. Sometimes I do 6, sometimes I do more, but it doesn't really matter. All right, y'all, so this is my nighttime routine. I just put it in some big jumbo twist, and I don't put anything else on it because I re-moisturized it yesterday, and I don't want it to have too much buildup or be too greasy. Also, I might put a little bit of oil on my fingertips when I unravel these tomorrow morning. But that's pretty much it. This really does help me a lot with retaining the moisture. And to go to sleep, I'm just gonna take my scarf and I'm going to make sure that I lay it down so that my twists are flat, because they kind of like sticking up. You see how that kind of like flans it down. So. So that's mainly what I use my scarf for. I am gonna put a bonnet on top of this, so it's okay that my ends kind of stick out. And I'm just gonna bring it around. I'm doing it this high because I gotta wash my face. But you know, you can make sure that you cover your hairline. But this is pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them. Hey, what's up? So I figured I'll just get back on here and show y'all my hair. So this is really my nighttime routine. Is key to making my twist outs and my braid out last long. I don't know what day I'm in, but my hair still looks good, so I'm gonna keep wearing it. I know that I started on like day 6 or whatever, but it's been a few days after, so still moisturized, still bouncy, and still has some curls to it. So yeah, just wanted to get back on here and show you this. I'll see y'all in my next video.